In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your WordPress dashboard from Namecheap in just a few simple steps. This is really helpful if you've forgotten your WordPress login details, want a faster way to get into your site, or just want to manage your website without going through the usual login screen every time. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and WordPress guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account using your regular Namecheap email and password. Once you're inside your account, look for the hosting list option. This is where all of your hosting services are displayed, so click on hosting list to continue. Next, find the hosting account that is connected to the WordPress website you want to access. When you found the correct hosting plan, click Go to cPanel. This will open the control panel for that hosting account, where you can manage different tools and website settings. Inside cPanel, look for the WordPress section or the WordPress tool. Depending on your cPanel layout, you may need to scroll a little to find it, so take your time and locate the WordPress option. Once you open WordPress, scroll down through the list of installed websites. Here, you'll see the WordPress websites connected to your hosting account. Find the exact WordPress website you want to access. This step is important if you have more than one site, because you want to make sure you select the correct one. After you find the right website, click Login as Admin. This is the button that will take you directly into the WordPress dashboard. WordPress will open the dashboard immediately, and you will not need to manually enter your username or password. That's one of the biggest advantages of using this method because it saves time and makes it much easier to manage your site. From here, you can update posts, install plugins, change themes, manage pages, and control everything on your website just like normal. If this video helped you get into your WordPress dashboard through Namecheap, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.